Before you start thinking about straddle front lever, you need to really master the advanced stack. Then, when you feel ready to move on and start working towards the straddle, there are 3 variations that you really need to master. The first one is this little bit more advanced stack front lever. The way how you get to this is with these in and outs, or you can do simple advanced stack front lever pull-ups, also negatives and races. Remember, if you don't progress, you have to go back and build a stronger base, or just simply build up more seconds on the easier variation, then come back and try it again. After mastering this, we'll bring our legs back, but this time we'll extend one leg and the other leg is in front of the bar, basically in an advanced stack position. This variation is essential, so really spend time in it. To build up more seconds, you can use those simple basic advanced stack front lever pull-ups, negatives, races, and for sure you can switch legs to work both sides. Now we are almost at the straddle variation, but there is still one left that you have to master, and that's the Pike straddle. So you will start the move in an inverted L-sit, spread your legs to the straddle, then you will slowly come halfway down and hold it there. Don't go to the full straddle because it will be hard to hold it for a couple of seconds. Leave your legs at 45 degrees. Dynamic exercises to master this are doing this for reps. You will simply go down, then back up to the inverted L-sit, and you will do this for reps. And now we are finally in front of the straddle variation. Exercise for it, those in and outs as I showed you previously with the advanced stack, but this time you will go from tuck to straddle, hold it for a second and then go back and do this for reps. For sure you can do again straddle negatives, straddle races if you have the high bar. To build more strength you can do again those advanced stack front lever pull-ups. As you could already see, they are essential also for progressing in a front lever, or you can anytime jump to the previous variation, for example the one leg, the Pike straddle, and build more strength with those. Of course there is an option to do the straddle variation or any other little bit incline, so you don't have to do it from the start in a horizontal line. Experiment with those variations, those exercises that I showed you. Like, subscribe and comment if it was helpful for you guys, and see ya.